If all goes well, sometime in the future, you got sales coming left and right. You're closing sales like no tomorrow. Well, to get there, you're going to have to close your first sale. That first sale is often really hard. It's often the hardest sale you've ever made. Well, one thing that can make it simpler is to forget about the average selling price. Forget about the selling price at all. That first sale is just there to prove that you have value, any value whatsoever, and $1 of value, a customer paying you $1, is proof they'll pay you something. There is, strangely enough, a bigger gap between free and $1 than between $1 and $1,000 or $10,000. Someone is willing to open up their checkbook or their wallet and hand you money is proof that you're doing something that has some value. So your first sale, your first few sales do not have to be at the price that you are predicting. They just have to be at some price. And maybe you're going to have to give away a few copies or a few services before you have any paying customers. That's totally normal, right? But at some point, if you're going to have a real business, you're going to have to make a real sale. You're going to have your first sale. Now, once you have a sale, the second sale becomes a bit easier because you can talk about that first sale. You're no longer saying, if somebody buys this, then some good will happen. You can say, hey, Joe bought this last week and Joe is loving it. Would you like to talk to Joe? Hopefully that first sale is so happy with what you're doing and that amazing price you gave them, they're willing to be a reference customer. They're willing to let you put their logo on your website, talk about your sale, and even take a customer call to make another customer sale. And this really happens. And then you have 2, and then you have 3, and then you have 10. And when you have 10 customers, you can talk about your customers in plural and have lots of anecdotes about them and all the different ways they found value in what you're doing. And it makes the next sale easier and easier, right? Success really does bring more success. The faster that bell rings, and that's one more trick, is ring a bell every time you make a sale. Celebrate every time you make a sale, because at the beginning, they're a little more rare than you would like. So celebrate it, ring the bell, and each time you ring the bell, note that the next bell should come just a little bit quicker. Right? Sales beget sales beget sales.